Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can make bomboloni. Bomboloni is a very nice snack similar to puff puff or buns, but slightly different. So I get my mixer bowl, ensure it's clean and dry. I add my all-purpose flour. I use all-purpose flour for this particular recipe. Check the description, you get every measurement you need. Next, I add my caster sugar. Also, the description, you find every detail that you need. Added my yeast. Afterwards, added my margarine. Yes, I use margarine for this particular recipe. Next is my 2 eggs. Afterwards, I added milk and water. And guys, I added my flavor. I use a powdered milk flavor for this particular recipe. Next, I fixed my bowl on my mixer, and I am starting with a low speed so that the flour don't splash everywhere. Start with a low speed until everything comes together. Then you can now increase it a little bit. Kneading doesn't have to be super fast, but just keep it on medium speed. It's perfect. So you knead this until everything comes together. As your dough is coming together, you notice that it's like it's cleansing your bowl. Yes, you won't have so many leftovers. Everything is going to come together. However, you can take your time to scrape the sides. Ensure you get off the ones that are stuck at the bottom, because the dough hook may not be able to get to the bottom of the pan. So ensure you scrape the sides properly and get out the ones that are stuck at the bottom of the pan. Bring down your mixer and start it again and allow it to knead. Just allow the mixer to do its job. Bring it together. You don't have to knead for a very long time, just for about 7-8 minutes, and you're done. So this is what my dough looks like. I am going to now work with the dough. So I floor my table to avoid sticking. And guys, stay tuned and watch as I do this. I need this for a while using my hands. Please don't overwork it. Just bring it together for a while. Then I get my measuring scale. Afterwards, I use my knife to cut this out in small chunks. Measure it so that it can be uniform. So measuring for uniformity so that the sizes are not too different. So I measure. I usually use about between 80 to 100 grams. Then I begin to mold this into a round shape. Mold it into a ball. First of all, I'm trying to flatten and stretch it out. Then after flattening, I bring it together to the center. Then try to twist it round like a ball and cut off the extra tip. When I cut this off, I'm going to flour my hands, and I'm going to use my hands to roll it into a ball to get a near perfect shape, to get a round shape. It doesn't have to be extra smooth because the roughness still has to be there. But just use your hands to roll it. After rolling it, this is what it looks like. Yes, at this point, and just do a little more work, and this is what we are going for. I repeated the process, and after repeating the process, I'm going to also continue this until I am done with the whole molding before we proceed to the next step. If you're new here, or if you come across this video, do well to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. You can share my video on your other social media handles: Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and TikTok. Drop your comments in the comment section. I would like to know your view. I hope you learned one or two things from my video. I have other beautiful videos also. You can go to my channel itself and explore and watch other beautiful videos that I have for you. So guys, when I was exhausted with the whole dough, and this is what it looks like. Not all, but this is what it looks like. Then I heat up my pan on my stove top, and I pour in oil. Just pour a good amount of oil, then allow the oil to heat up, and you begin to drop these balls into it. Look at the way it's looking. It's going to float a bit, but not as much as, donuts, because we didn't give it so much time. So we're going to take our time to fry this to our desired color, guys. At this point, we're done frying. You can see what it looks like. It is buns like, it is puff puff like, it is donut like. It's just in between. However, it tasted really good and it's really nice. You can use this as a pair for your breakfast, pair with tea, pair with coffee, as snacks, as in fact, you can serve your kids this. Definitely they're going to love it. I hope you learned one or two things. Have a nice day. Until my next vlog, see you.